Does insurance cover lap band surgery? Questions you need to ask. So you've decided that living with your weight problem and ignoring it is no longer a healthy option. Excellent. This is by far the toughest part of losing weight, making the decision to do so and that it will no longer rule your life. That said, the next step is equally tough, deciding which method of weight loss is best for you. After all, there are more than enough programs out there that purport to show you how to lose weight quickly and easy. Everything from portion-controlled meals that are delivered to harsh cleanses and pills. Another option, of course, is the lap band surgery. However, if you've done your research, then you undoubtedly know the cost involved, which leads to the question, does insurance cover lap band surgery? The answer, of course, is it depends. Some will cover the full amount, from companies will only cover partial cost, and some include types of weight loss surgery altogether. The key, of course, is finding out which ones cover the surgery. To that end, here's the partial list. Blue Cross, United Healthcare, Oxford Health Plan, Medicaid, American Family Insurance. Remember that you will have to research to find more than are listed here. If the prospect of getting a straight answer out of your insurance company seems daunting, or if you're considering switching companies to be able to answer the question, does insurance cover lap band surgery positively, then you should take a step back and formulate a battle plan. Consider this. You can use the current economy to your advantage in either negotiating your policy changes or going to a new company altogether. Every insurance company is doing all it can to ensure that customers sign with them. In fact, you may be able to negotiate the additional of lap band surgery to your policy simply by threatening to switch to your company's biggest competitor. That being said, some companies will of course require documentation that this surgery is in fact the best option for your particular circumstance. In this case, the documentation they seek is a letter stating the medical necessity of having this surgery, which can be provided by your doctor. Funny how, even when we're grown up, we still seem to need doctor's notes. That said, the company will look for specific information such as the length of time you've been struggling with your condition, side effect of your condition, and of course, how long you've tried to beat it and what method you've used. In short, they are looking for a relatively detailed medical history centering around your weight loss issues. Finally, what happens if your company excludes weight loss surgery coverage? Well, one option, of course, is to switch companies. Another is to appeal the decision again with a letter from your doctor. Although if you like your insurance company, this may seem a good route to take. Perhaps the faster one would be just to switch entirely. Just remember that no matter what you do, when it comes to lap band insurance coverage, you need to be prepared. Brought to you by www.lapbanddoctors.com.